pakora, we're gonna add red chilies, salt, onion, potatoes, green chilies. This is red chilies, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna add garam masala now. Half spoon turmeric powder. Half spoon ajwain seed. 1 spoon whole dhania. 1 spoon chaat masala. 1 spoon anandana powder. I put 1 tablespoon of green coriander and 1 cup of besan. Now I'm gonna mix them well. After mixing, it's like this. It's a little bit dry, so I'm gonna add little bit water and make nice pakora mixture. Now I'm adding a little bit water to make a nice mixture. After adding 1 cup water, the mixture is nearly ready now for frying. So I'm going to rest this for 1 hour and then I'm going to fry them later on. So the pakora mixture is ready now for frying. I just add like 1 tablespoon of green coriander and 1 spoon of green chilies. I cut them in pieces and add in the mixture. So this mixture is ready for frying now. Mix them really well. It's ready now for frying. Fry the pakoras now. Oil is nice and warm. Put all of the pakoras in there. They are nearly done, nice and golden crisp. Our golden crispy pakoras are ready to eat. I'm serving with ketchup, fresh lemons and salad.